representative of the company there. And in that context, of course, we are extending necessary consular assistance to those individuals or individual. And of course, I could just reiterate what the Health Ministry has put out a little while ago, which was that they have, been in contact between the drug regulators in Uzbekistan and here. And I understand inspection of the facilities of this company in Noida was being carried out as per protocol. And that I know they are looking into it in terms of further investigation of the cough syrup. Siddhant, as regards the comment I think you made regarding Maldives, look, you would have seen the statements issued by the government of Maldives, as well as by other political parties in Maldives, condemning this. I think it was a tweet. We have noted the government of Maldives has taken swift action, and the matter is being investigated. Our High Commission there is in close contact with the government of Maldives, and of course, on the security side, is taking necessary precautionary measures. I think I'll stop there and take next round of questions. Sorry, who are I missing in the first round? Both of you. Yeah, please go ahead. I'll come back to you.
सर मेरा सवाल पाकिस्तान से ही है।
आप इंट्रोड्यूस करें।
न्यूज़ नेशन से जिस तरह से पाकिस्तान में आतंकी हमले बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और खास तौर पे टीटीपी के हमलों से पूरा पाकिस्तान एक तरह से दहल रहा है, और ये भी हम देख रहे हैं कि इस्लामाबाद में जिस तरह के हालात हैं वहाँ पर पूरी सैन्य व्यवस्था मजबूत की गई है ताकि वहाँ आतंकी हमला न हो। कई देशों ने
आपका इंट्रोडक्टरी कमेंट थोड़ा लंबा चल रहा है, क्या क्वेश्चन है?
सवाल चाह रहा हूँ मैं कि हमारा स्टैंड क्या है कि हमारे पड़ोस के मुल्क में तालिबान इस तरह से पैर पसार रहा है, हमारा भी वहाँ पर मिशन है, क्या हमने भी कोई एडवाइजरी जारी की है? और
सिक्योरिटी तरफ से। ओके Okay, who was the other person? Yeah, I'll come back to you, please.
Well, that was Arindam Bagchi making an address over there from the MEA's end, where the Ministry of External Affairs has taken note of 18 children dying in Uzbekistan, and he has assured the media and the country that necessary action is being taken, as the Health Minister, Mansukh Mandavia, has also looked into this entire matter, and the company that was manufacturing the cough syrup, the samples from the company has also been sent to laboratory for tests.